Don't you know the rules of the road? That's a critical mistake. Hi, I'm your driving instructor. Join us to drive safely and avoid any fines. Today we'll practice the task of understanding intersection crossing. It's not a hard task, but it's very interesting and important for both beginners and experienced drivers alike. Here's the task. 3 vehicles approach a 4-way intersection at the same time. The question is, in which order should they cross? You have 4 options. Truck, pink, then red. Pink, truck, then red. Red, truck, then pink. As agreed, pause the video and leave your answer in the comments. You will find out whether you were right at the end of the video. I hope you had time to choose because now we'll explain the task. In the picture, you can see 3 vehicles approaching a 4-way intersection. The pink car wants to turn left, the red car is going straight, and the truck also wants to turn left. To solve this, we need to figure out what kind of intersection this is. There are 2 types of intersections, controlled and uncontrolled. This intersection is uncontrolled because there are no traffic lights, no signs, and no traffic controllers. According to the road rules, when 3 vehicles arrive at an uncontrolled 4-way intersection at the same time, the vehicle on the left must yield to the vehicle on the right. Looking at the path of the red car, we can see there's nothing blocking it on the right. This means the red car will go through the intersection first. The pink car is on the left, and it must yield to the truck, which is on its right. Therefore, the pink car will pass last. So the correct order is red, truck, then pink. If you chose this answer, congratulations! I'm Kendrick, your driving instructor. Subscribe to my channel so the police will never stop you with fines. Drive safely and take care.